In this video, we're going to link our newly created bulb to an assignment in Schoology. So in Schoology, you're going to choose the course that you're assigning the video to. On the left-hand side, you're going to click on the Materials menu. And you're going to click on Add Materials, and from the drop-down menu, you're going to add a file, link, or external tool. You're going to choose External Tool from the pop-up window. When you get this Add External Tool window, you want to change the tool provider to PlayPosit. You can give the title. I will title this Growth Mindset Video. And I can enable grading. You'll leave these items here, the custom, consumer key, shared secret, those are already filled in. We leave those alone. And I can enable grading. I can decide on the point value and a due date for this video. I can count it as classwork, change the scale of the grading, and in my sandbox, it only gives me the option of professional learning, but in your regular courses, it'll give you different options for the period. And I'm going to submit. So now you can see that a link has been created in my course homepage. So I'm going to click on this link, and it's going to take me to a PlayPosit screen. It's a blue screen. Okay, and here I have a few options. It gives me the steps to link the bulb to the assignment. So first I'm going to create the bulb, which I've already done, and then I'm going to set the bulb link from the triple dot menu. So I'm going to click Get Started. Also, if you have other questions, there's a link right here to answer your questions as well. So I'm going to click Get Started. So now we need to link a bulb to the assignment by finding a bulb in My Bulbs and clicking on the three-dot menu here to the right and choose Set Bulb Link. So this is the bulb that I'd like to use and assign to this assignment. So I'm going to click and Set Bulb Link. Okay, at this point, you want to decide what kind of experience you want the learners to have. Do you want them to go self-paced, or is this something that you'd like live broadcast? In other words, that is something that you would do this as a whole class. Self-paced is usually the option that we use. It's where the kids will view this independently and go through the questions on their own. That's what I'm going to choose. And then click Set Link. Now that I've linked my bulb, I can go back to the home page, my sandbox, and when I click on the Growth Mindset video, it's going to bring me to this page, which says that my video is assigned to an assignment. From this page, I can monitor the students when they're finishing the bulb. So if I click on this, I can see the grades. So I can see that my one student has not done anything yet on this bulb, but this is where the grades would populate. So that's how you link a bulb in PlayPosit to an assignment in Schoology. So there's one final thing that I'd like to show you. If you have any questions about anything in PlayPosit, this link, knowledge.playposit.com, has a lot of videos and helpful articles. If you have any questions, this is really a great place to begin. You can also search your question. And so I've found it very helpful, and I hope that you will also.